If you love hearing the soothing sounds of rain falling outside your window, you got to listen to this. It's so soothing, so satisfying, and that warm glow of the light. Oh my gosh. So the brand really thought of everything with this. You know, you can change the color of the light, you can change the brightness with the dial on the back. And there's a pad on the inside of the rain cloud where the water falls, and you can change it out. There's one screen that makes it a little bit louder when the rain falls and you can hear it across a room, or you can change it to one that looks more like a mesh, like a foam pad, and that's more suited for like a nightstand. If it's going to be right near your ear, it will sound like a bog sound. This is just such a fun and soothing lamp. Love it.